Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine at home. Today I am going to teach a story. The name of the story is Jiggle Jiggle Jack. Jiggle Jiggle Jack. In this story is about a penguin. The name of the penguin is Oscar. So these are the two characters in this story. One is Oscar, a little penguin. Next is mother. So the name of the story is Jiggle Jiggle Jack. So there are two major characters in the story. One is Oscar, a little penguin. Next is mother, Oscar's mother. So next, let us see some interesting fact about penguins.
Penguins are found mostly in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. Other places where you can find them are New Zealand, Southern Australia, South Africa, and South America. Penguins eat fish and krill, which are small crustaceans. They have a hook near their bills to catch fish. Large penguins can carry 30 fishes in their mouths at one time. Baby penguins are called chicks. When they hatch, they are grey and fluffy, not black like their parents. Penguins spend half their lives on land and the other half in water.
Wow!
So, their wings have evolved in flippers. So, penguins can't fly even if they want to. On land, penguins waddle on their feet or slide on their bellies across the snow. This sliding is called tobogganing. Their bodies are shaped like torpedoes, so they are streamlined and can move fast in the water. Penguins like to dive off cliffs in the water. Then they climb up the cliff and dive again. Lines for good diving spots can get really long. Their white tummies keep them safe from predators in the water. When penguins swim, the movement looks like birds flying. Although the mother penguin lays the eggs, it is the father penguin who looks after these eggs until they hatch. Meanwhile, the mother penguin goes fishing for food.
Have you all enjoyed, children? So this is awesome. So let us see the artworks of this story, Candy. Candy means a sweet food made with sugar or chocolate. So do you like candy? Yes, very good. A sweet made up of or made with sugar or chocolate. Cookies, a small flat sweet food. So cookies are nothing but a small flat sweet food. Jelly beans, a candy that is shaped like a bean and has a hard sugar shell with a soft center. So, do you like jelly beans? Yes, very good. Jelly beans are nothing but a candy or a sweet that is shaped like a bean and has a hard shell of sugar shell with a soft center. Next one, alert or inform. So one means alert or inform someone. Suit, a set of clothes. Suit means a set of clothes. Grumpy, feeling angry and also at the same time sad. Grumpy means feeling angry and sad at the same time. Promise, tell somebody that you will surely do. So promise means tell somebody that you will do surely. So these are the outwords in this story. Let us repeat it once again. Candy, a sweet food made with sugar or chocolate. Cookies, a small, flat, sweet food. Jelly beans, a candy that is shaped like a bean and has a hard sugar shell with a soft center. Warn, alert or inform. Soup, a set of clothes. Grumpy, feeling angry and sad at the same time. Promise, tell somebody that you will surely do. So this is called, let us see the story of Jiggle Jiggle Trap. Let us read the story Oscar Penguin. So the major character of the story is Oscar Penguin. He is a little penguin. Loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. So Oscar Penguin loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. Here candy means a sweet made with sugar or chocolate. Cookies means a small, flat, sweet food made from flour or sugar. Jelly beans means a candy that is shaped like a bean and has a hard sugar shell with a soft center. So Oscar Penguin loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. He could eat them all day. He loved to eat in all days. His mother was not happy. So the other character, Oscar's mother. Oscar's mother was not at all happy because he eat candy, cookies and jelly beans for all days. One day she called, Oscar's mother called Oscar and warned him. Here warned means tell someone about possible danger or trouble. So Oscar's mother alerted him. Oscar, you must stop eating candy, cookies and jelly beans. So Oscar's mother asked him to stop eating candy, cookies and jelly beans. So she was not happy and she warned Oscar and she told him that you must stop eating candy, cookies and jelly beans. But Oscar Penguin quickly went into his bedroom, closed the door and ate a large bag of jelly beans. But Oscar didn't follow his mother's advice. But Oscar Penguin quickly went into his bedroom and closed his window or door and ate a large bag of jelly beans. He burped and said, I really love jelly beans. Burp, burp, burp. So he said that I really love to eat jelly beans. I love to eat jelly beans, candy and cookies. As the days passed by, Oscar kept filling his tummy with lots and lots of jelly beans. After some days, Oscar kept filling his tummy with lots and lots of jelly beans. Christmas was coming ahead. Oscar's mother wanted to get him a new suit. Here suit means a set of clothes. So after some days, Oscar kept eating jelly beans, lots and lots. Christmas was coming ahead. Oscar's mother wanted to get him a new clothes. So they went to a shop to get his new suit. So Oscar's mother and Oscar went to a clothes shop to get a new suit for Oscar. And their Oscar penguin got a big surprise. When Oscar went with his mother to get a new penguin suit at the penguin suit shop, all the suits were too small. So at the shop, he got a big surprise. When Oscar went with his mom to the shop, he get big surprise. Get a new penguin suit at the penguin suit shop. All the suits were too small for Oscar. None of the suits fitted Oscar. None of the suits fitted Oscar because Oscar was big in size. All the suits were small in size. Oscar was very upset. He called out, "Mom, what am I going to do? None of the penguin suits fit me. What am I going to wear for Christmas?" So Oscar was very much worried about the suit because none of the suit fitted for Oscar and said, "What am I going to do? None of the suit was fit for me. What am I going to wear for Christmas?" he asked to his mother. Oscar's mother smiled kindly and said, "Oscar, let us go home and talk. I know what you can do to fit into a new penguin suit." Oscar's mother smiled kindly and said, "Oscar, let us go to our home and talk. I know what you can do to fit into a new suit." Oscar's mother said that she knows what he can do to fit into a new penguin suit. Oscar went back home with a grumpy face. Here grumpy means anger with sad at the same time. Oscar was worried. Oscar was very upset and worried. Back home, Oscar's mother explained to Oscar in a gentle voice, "Oscar, there are 3 things you can do to solve your problem." Oscar's mother explained to Oscar in a soft voice, in a gentle voice. "Oscar, you should follow 3 things to solve your problem." So you have to follow 3 things to solve your problem. Let us see what are the 3 things. First thing, you can stop eating junk food and sweets. So first thing is you have to stop eating junk foods and sweets. Second one, you can start eating healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish. Next, his mother said that you have to start eating healthy food such as green fruits, green vegetables, cereals, chickens and fish. Third, and you can begin doing a bit of jiggle joy each day. In the next rule, she said that you can begin doing a bit of jiggle jogging each other. So in the third rule, she said that you have to jogging every day. You have to do the jogging each and every day. The first rule is you can stop eating junk foods and sweets. Second rule, you have to start eating healthy food such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish. Third rule, so you have to jogging each and every day. You have to begin to do jogging each and every day. Oscar learned his lesson. He gave a broad smile, hugged and thanked his mom and promised her that he would do those three things regularly. Oscar learned the lesson and he gave a broad smile and hugged her mother and thanked his mom. Then he promised to her that he will do the three things regularly, and he did so, and also he did these three things regularly. Oscar Penguin ate healthy food. So after this lesson, she learned to how to fit, and he ate healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish every day. Jiggle Jiggle jogged each day and became healthy, strong, and got a brand new penguin suit. So every day he went to jogging and he became healthy, strong, and got a brand new penguin suit. Oscar's mother was happy. Oscar was happy too. Oscar's mother also happy and Oscar also happy too. Would you like to sing the song? Oscar sang every day while he went jogging. So while Oscar went to jogging every day, he sang a song of Oscar's Penguin Jog, a long song. Sing aloud. Jiggle, jiggle, jog, jiggle, jiggle, jog. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jog. Every day he went to jogging and he sang a song of jiggle, jiggle, jog, jiggle, jiggle, jog, jiggle, 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 jog. Children, let us sing this song. Sing loud.
Jiggle jiggle jog, jiggle jiggle jog. Sing louder. Jiggle jiggle log, jiggle jiggle log. Jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle log, jiggle jiggle.
So the moral of the story is you have to eat healthy food such as vegetables, fruits, cereals, chicken and fish, and you have to avoid eating junk foods and sweets, and you have to begin to go to jogging. So this is the moral of the story.
Oscar Penguin loved to eat candy, cookies, and jelly beans. He ate them all day. His mother was not happy and warned him. Oscar's mother wanted to buy Oscar a new suit for Christmas. So they went to Penguin's suit shop. Oscar was upset because none of the suits fitted him. Oscar and his mother left the shop and went home. Oscar was worried. His mother told him the 3 things he could do to solve his problem. You can stop eating junk food and sweets. You can start eating healthy food, such as fruits, vegetables, cereal, chicken and fish. And you can begin doing a bit of jiggle jiggle jogging each day. Oscar thanked his mom. He started eating healthy food and exercising each day. Soon he became healthy and strong.
Have you all enjoyed the story, children? Yes, very good. So this is for your home assignment. Write down the keywords, synonyms, antonyms, and past tense, and finally question and answer in your English classwork notebook. So you have to write keywords, synonyms, antonyms, past tense, and question and answer in your classwork